Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we are dealing with some advanced problem of the problem which were discussed in the previous video. What was that? Print all the leaf nodes present in the binary tree, right? But in this particular video we are dealing with some advanced concepts like print the sum and count of all the leaf nodes present in the binary tree. Okay, so this is the problem statement. Determine the sum and count of all the leaf nodes of the binary tree in Java. I hope all of you got the question, right? So this will be a recursive implementation as usual. This is the tree and this is our desired output. I hope you all aware of leaf nodes, what exactly is this, but still let me remind it. Leaf nodes is a node whose right subtree and the left subtree are null. That means the number of childs of if the number of childs of a node is 0, then it will treat as a leaf node, right? So let's begin with the code segment. This is our node class along with its constructor, right? And this is our main class in which we have to write our code. There is main method also which is used to initialize the tree and calling the function which we have to complete, right? This is the function. So in this video I'm going to share only the Java implementation, but if you guys want me to do Python implementation of the same problem, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let's begin with the code. So as I told earlier that in every recursive problem of the binary tree data structure we have to apply one common check, right? And what is that? It is check whether the root is null or not. If it is null, then we can't do anything, simply return nothing, right? But if it is not null, then the main operation starts, right? So if root is equals to null, then it means it is returning nothing, and if it is not null, then our main task starts. What is that? First, think what we can do for finding the leaf nodes, because if we achieve that problem, then nothing left in this problem, right? So if root dot left is equals to null and root dot right equals to null, so it means if this condition is true, then it means it is the leaf node, right? So we simply print it out. Root dot value at additional space, and if it is, and in this problem we need two variables. First one for storing the count, and the second one for calculating the sum. For each iteration we have to add it to the sum variable and increment the counter by 1, right? So let me define these two variables here: static int count and static int sum, right? We have done it, and now just add it here, root dot data and counter 1, right? And the last step is that recursively traverse its left subtree and recursively traverse its right subtree for the complete tree to be executed, right? So leaf nodes root dot left and leaf nodes root dot right. So this is the complete implementation. Now the last step which we have to do is just printing these values so that we can get our desired output, right? So system dot out dot println and sorry, count is whatever is the count, and I have to delete it out, yes, and copy this and paste it over here for sum, right? Okay, so let's run this code to check the desired output and our code output, whether it is working fine or not. Okay, symbol C, okay, system, I have written this 2 times, just removing it out. Okay, system dot out, and here C, this is not C, this is count variable. Okay, so let's run this code again. Okay, so our function is achieved. Wait, I have to mention it over here for /n, right? So again run this code. Yes, so this is our code's output, and let me verify it with the desired output. Here it is. This is the desired output, and this is our code output. 4786 are the leaf nodes, count is 4, and sum is 25, right? So we achieved the today's problem. We see the detailed explanation, recursive implementation in Java. This is all for this Java implementation. But if you guys want a Python implementation of the same problem, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay, so bye guys, thank you.